tonight we're going to be making some bourbon-based cocktails. So of course we're going to need some bourbon, we're going to need some bitters, and these cocktails today are going to feature this rosemary simple syrup that I made. It's just 1 part sugar to 1 part water with some freshly infused rosemary sprigs. We're also going to need some fresh lemon juice, and orange that we're going to use for garnish, and some fresh rosemary that will also be for garnish. So the first cocktail that we're going to make is the Rosemary Bourbon cocktail. So first, put a large ice cube in your glass, and then fill a cocktail shaker with ice. And then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of bourbon, 1/2 ounce of our rosemary simple syrup, 2 to 3 dashes of our bitters, and then we're going to give that a little shake. And then we're going to strain it into our cocktail glass. And we're going to garnish that with some fresh rosemary. We're just going to use our paring knife to cut off a little bit of the orange peel. And then we're going to give this a nice little twist so it releases the oils, which will help flavor the drink. And there's your rosemary bourbon cocktail. So next we're going to make a rosemary bourbon sour. So we're going to put our large ice cube in again. Let's get some fresh ice. And then this time we're going to add 1.5 ounces of our bourbon, 1/2 ounce of our rosemary simple syrup, 1/2 ounce of our freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then we're going to shake that up. And we're going to strain it into our glass. And we'll garnish that with some fresh rosemary. So this is your lemon rosemary bourbon sour and our rosemary bourbon cocktail. Cheers!